Hello students, how are you? Again welcoming Sri Classes by Badwe sir. Today we are going to discuss the science part second from 10th standard, the structure of the flower. You may see on the screen that the hibiscus rosa sinensis, okay. In Marathi it is known as the jasmine and in English it is the hibiscus rosa sinensis. Now which are the parts of the flower? Students, actually flower is divided into the two parts, two whorls. One is the accessory whorls and second one is the essential whorls. Now what is meant by the essential whorls? Gynoecium and androecium. These are the essential whorls. Why they are known as essential whorls? Because they directly take part into the reproduction. That's why they are known as essential whorls. And calyx and corolla, these are the accessory whorls because they protect the flower. Okay, that means the middle part, that androecium and the gynoecium, is protected by, yes, right, that calyx and corolla. That's why they are called as the accessory whorls. In exam, question will ask that draw the well-labeled diagram of the hibiscus rosa sinensis and explain its accessory whorls and essential whorls. That time you have to draw the diagram as per your textbook. Then you show their whorls, then sepal, petal, androecium, gynoecium, stamen, anther, stigma, style. Now one by one we will explain. First one is the sepal. Now listen. Sepal means the greeny part which is present at the bottom of the flower, that is called the sepals. Now what is meant by the petals? It is, in Marathi it is known as the pakड्या. Okay, corolla. A smallest unit of the corolla is the petal. फुलाच्या ज्या पाकड्या त्याला म्हणायचं पेटल. देठापाशी जे हिरवं आहे त्याला म्हणायचं सेपल. Okay, clear this concept? Sepal and petal. Now furtherly, after that one, androecium and gynoecium. Androecium is the male part of that flower and gynoecium is the female part. Now androecium has stamens and in gynoecium furtherly it is classified into three parts, that is the ovary, style and stigma. Stigma is present at the above side of that style and stigma is sticky. Sticky means what? A sticky substance is there like Fevicol. Okay, I will explain why it is sticky later. Firstly, it is a sticky. Secondly, the middle part, that is nothing but the style. Okay, stigma ho gaya, style ho gayi. Now the rest part, bottom part, solan part, that is the ovary. The fertilization present in the flower is totally takes place in that ovary. Okay, so ovary is the main important part. But how that fertilization takes place? So again I repeat, androecium and gynoecium are present in the same flower. Now the pollen grain, okay, which falls on the stigma of that female part of that flower, then that stigma which is pasted on that pollen grain which is pasted on the stigma is then sucked by the ovary through the style. Style के बीच में से वो pollen grain नीचे जाता है. And why the stigma is sticky? Whenever the pollen grains are carried with the help of the wind or other like the insects, butterflies, that time due to that stickiness of the stigma, that pollen grains are attached to that stigma and then it comes to the ovary. So that's why the stigma is sticky. After that, that pollen grain comes down through the style up to the ovary and there the fertilization takes place and then that ovary is converted into the fruit. Whatever we eat of that part, that means mango, then papaya, then santri, orange, whatever, okay, chikus, mangoes. So that swollen part is nothing but the ovary. Okay, now fertilization takes place with the help of the nuclei of that one. So I hope you understood what is meant by the stigma, what is meant by the style, what is meant by the sepal, what is meant by the petal. Then in short, the hibiscus rosa sinensis. Okay, in exam the question will be asked that explain the hibiscus rosa sinensis along with the diagram, along with its part. Okay, that time you have to write the sepal, petal, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, then individual parts, stigma, style, ovary. Okay, so I hope you understood the structure of the flower, that particular hibiscus rosa sinensis, which is mentioned into the 10th standard. So please subscribe my channel, share it and like it. Thank you.